is Trish. This is day 2 of the project that we're working on. And today's videos we filmed down in the valley, and it's me singing a couple more songs. Baby, I'm looking out, I'm surrounded by your embrace. Baby, I can see your halo, you know you're my saving grace. You're everything I need and more, written all over your face. Baby, I can see your halo, you know you won't fade away. We had Kavash, that's his name. Kavash came by.
I just wanted to know if you was recording because Trish Prevail is the truth. She puts it down. You heard it here from your boy Kavash.
Guess what you say is true. I feel the same way too. See, I'm waiting all night long just to dance with you.
Only you.
And when you touch my hand, I knew you were the man to turn my world around and make my dreams come true. Jesus said, I am He who supplies all your needs. And He said, I will, but tomorrow, tomorrow, I'll give my life. And he sang with me. And you guys could be the judge of that on how it came out. Just, listen to it and leave your comments and stuff and let me know what you think. Yesterday we did the photo shoot and did the promo picture. We're kind of doing this project to see how we could, take me the way I look and make me a star, so you guys look forward to more footage, more videos, more pictures, more music, and see how far I go. Stay tuned.
Last night I prayed and asked God to be there for my family and see them through. For those who don't know or even understand, just reassure that this is part of the plan. To my little ones, you're too young to know or even understand it till you get grown. But if you close your eyes and think of me, you'll never be too far from your mommy. I miss ya. Some days that I wish I could be with ya, hold you in my arms real tight and kiss ya.